So it's October 4th afternoon. I wanted to try and get a little bit more done down here. So I'm down by the beaver ponds. So this is the lower beaver pond here, upper beaver pond up over there. The beaver have been working lately. Here's one of their little mini dams. This is the the spillway going into a canal system that I worked on this year. That was just a simple vernal pool system. Now, vernal pools are very important, so I'll be putting in more vernal pools in the future. But one of the things I did do 2 days ago, I came down and I dug this out a little bit deeper because we had lots of sand in here. And I need more sand. And here's some of the sand right here. And a couple of things I want to do. So I build up the roadway over here with gravel that Pepe's on over here, really coarse gravel. And I've been digging the sand out of here. Now I need sand in other locations, but I also want to build up the soil. I don't want to build up the soil around the base, the root balls of the trees, the crown of the trees rather. But what I'm going to do is come down here, dig up some more of the sand that's in the canal system, deposit it alongside of the roadway here near where the trees are, and work my way right around, get as much sand out of here as possible. If I get some muck, that will go on the base and that'll just build up the soil, with the exception of the trees. There's still some life in this one maple here, and still some life in this maple. One of the maples over there is already dead. So, but this was all marsh before, and I took out all the definitely dead trees that were in here. So I'm going to come down here, dig out some of this sand, deposit it up alongside of the road here. I doubt I'll take any of it out this fall before winter comes, but it takes so long because this sand is just completely saturated. And when I came down here earlier today and yesterday, bringing up the bucket loads of sand, it's like carrying just plain water because the sand is just completely laden with water. So I'm going to go get Elon now and see if I can get some of this done before it gets too late. So here we go.